Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Fab 50s. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you a 5-point facial massage for depuffing the skin and also anti-aging. This is also going to help with skin glow as well. Now, I like to start off with clean skin, and today I'm using a little bit of facial cream. And so the first point we're going to work on is the lower part of the face. So applying some cream to the fingers first, and then just a little bit onto the thumbs here. So I'm placing my thumb under my chin and making a hook shape with my fingers and just very gently massaging our first point. And then slowly work in an outwards motion all along from the chin, all along the jawline towards the ears. And this is a light to medium touch. And you're massaging in whatever products you've placed, so that's going to work in even better and deeper into the skin. Now obviously if you're going to do this in the morning, that's great, so you'd use your daily face cream for the morning, and if it's a night one, obviously your night facial cream. So then that's our first point, so I'm just now gliding along. So our second point is between either side of the nostrils, between the nose here. So again, applying our cream to the nostril area, and I'm just gently massaging one way. Now we hold a lot of tension either side of the nostrils here, so it's nice to release that tension and then massage the other way. And then with the hook of the hands again, just massage and then glide. And you want to go under the cheekbone towards the ears. This is really helping with the lower part of the face. And one last time. So then our third point is going to be literally between the eyes here, sort of almost the bridge of the nose. So I'm using a little bit of the facial cream here, but this time we're using our ring finger because we have a lighter touch, and the skin around the eyes is very delicate. So literally just massaging one way and then the other, and then very gently gliding along. Oh, bloody hell. And then just very gently gliding along. This actually makes my eyes water. So always got some congestion here, so we're massaging it all out. And then our next point is between the eyebrows here, so going back to our index fingers here, and we're just gently massaging round circular motion at this point, and the other way. And then with the hook of our fingers, just gently gliding along above the eyebrow. And then our next point is our forehead. So placing onto our forehead and just gently massaging one way and then the other. And then taking our hook of our fingers and just massaging all along the forehead area in an outwards motion towards the temples, softening all those fine lines. And then what we're going to do now is take our fingers, interlock them, and gently glide along the forehead. And what we're doing here is we're moving toxins and waste within the lymph. And the lymph is close to the surface of the skin, so feather-light touch. And then with the ring finger under the eyes, very light. Top of the cheekbones towards the ears. And the lower part of the face. And then under the jawline towards the ears here. And then if you can just take your fingers and just massage front of the ears and then behind the ears to the bottom. may want to swallow as you can feel things moving along where we have plenty of lymph nodes here. And then when we get to the bottom of the ear, you just want to very lightly glide down either side of the neck down to the collarbone. And then from our chin all the way down, just above the collarbone here, we have some indentations. And if you can just give those a few gentle presses. And this will release all the toxins and waste to move within this facial area into the body, ready for elimination. Now, if you'd like to join me on a one-to-one training, please look at the description box down below. I'm actually taking on clients if you'd like some advice on facial massage and skincare. And I will leave a video in the link as well if you'd like to join me for another video if you enjoy my content, and a thumbs up if you found the video useful. Obviously, please consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.